Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's a common problem, particularly in the summer. The doors stop closing properly. And what you need to do is to remove the screws and remove the plate. And then inside you'll see this metal bar. And you can adjust that metal bar with a pair of pliers. And what you want to do is to just push that out in that direction. Okay, and now if we slot that back in place, what will happen is the catch will come along and the door will close properly. So now that's fastened in place, and what I've done is I've bent this so that when the door comes back, it actually locks on there. And that's it, it's all done. Simple adjustment and it stops the door rattling. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and take a look at my other videos. Thanks for watching, bye.